we're doing a lot of car-to-car shooting today. We're out in these crazy wide open spaces, and we're using a drone, we're using a Razor, other cars, etc. to chase our picture cars. So we need a lot of range so that our director and producers can see what's happening on our monitor. So we're using the Bolt 3000, and it gets 3,000 feet of range, which is exactly what we need out here. So we've got the receiver here on our 17-inch monitor for the director, and you'll see that we have the transmitter way up here. So we got it up as high as possible so that we have a really good line of sight, which helps the performance of the system. We're gonna have somebody up here in the front seat controlling pan and tilt on the shot over arm, and then we're sending a signal out from here to the Teradek transmitter, which will then give us 3,000 feet of range back to the director's monitor.